frequencies that hum in perfect time.
Scrimshaw whispers to the moon, ivory catches sky at noon, delicate lines dance their tune, nature's echo in this room. Higher thoughts my spirit lifts, focused mind through channels drifts, in each edge the soul uplifts, beauty's grace in fingertips. Beauty's Nature's splendor never fades, in ivory its light cascades, every detail, every shade, in these lines a world remade, focused mind and heart in harmony, stories told through ancient Mountains rise on ivory shore, oceans hum, their whispers roar, with each line I seek for more, unseen realms in Scrimshaw's core. Scrimshaw's Leaves in thunder never fades, in ivory its light cascades, every detail, every shade, in these lines a world remade, focused mind and heart in harmony, stories told through ancient ivory. Mountains rise on ivory's shore, oceans hum, their whispers roar, with each line